Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable copy. This prevents accidental loss. Open the workbook and enable auto-save or set auto-recover to 1 minute because you will iterate quickly. Once done, scan the workbook for the sheets and specific cell ranges you will change and jot them down. Make sure to close other heavy files to improve performance. This reduces freezes. Now, locate any linked external files and decide whether to update links now or break them. You now make the actual changes. Update cells, adjust formulas, and modify named ranges so references remain correct. Use Find and Replace across the workbook to fix repeated text or path changes. Choose Apply to Workbook to be thorough. After edits, refresh all data connections and press F9 to recalculate. This confirms results. Make sure to inspect dependent formulas with trace dependence if numbers shift unexpectedly. Undo and review the preceding formula chain. You finish by saving a final version and exporting any required formats. Name it filename final. XLSX to reflect completion. Then, optimize. Remove unused ranges, clear excessive formatting, and check file size so sharing is smooth. If something goes wrong, use error checking, evaluate formula, and trace precedents to find the root cause. This helps you fix broken links or circular references. Finally, run a quick sanity check on key totals and send the validated file to stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.